Hello and welcome. Today's video is from Hurghada in Egypt. If you are looking for the perfect blend of sun, sea and fun activities, look no further than Hurghada, a beautiful coastal city where turquoise water meets the golden sands, and the excitement is around every corner. Whether you are diving into vibrant coral reefs, cruising to stunning islands or exploring the desert, Hurghada promises unforgettable getaway. And without further ado, let's get started. I'm Khalid. Welcome to you in my journey to Hurghada. Hurghada boasts a warm desert climate. Summers June to August can get quite hot, with temperature often reaching up to 104 degrees. Winters December to February are mild, with daytime temperature averaging around 70 degrees. But the best time to visit, in my opinion, late September to early November, or from March to early June. Hurghada is well connected internationally with its own international airports, Hurghada International Airport, so direct flights from major European and Middle Eastern cities are available all the time. If you are already in Egypt, a short 1-hour domestic flight from Cairo will get you here, or you can catch a bus or a car which takes about 5 hours. I recommend using the InDrive app for that, link in the description. Hurghada is a vibrant gem on Egypt's Red Sea coast, known for its beautiful beaches, crystal clear water, and an endless array of water activities. Whether you are looking to sunbath or dive deep into some of the most stunning coral reefs in the world, Hurghada has something for you. Besides the main city, Hurghada has some other areas that are 30 to 45 kilometers away from the city center. These areas are El Gona, Sahel Hashish, Makadi Bay and Suma Bay. For most travelers, I recommend staying in the main city along the tourist walk, where everything is easily accessible. However, if you are after a quieter vacation with fewer activities and plan to spend most of your time at the hotel, one of the areas I mentioned may be a good fit. I will leave links to my recommended hotels from my personal experience, including the hotel I am at right now, in the description below. When in Hurghada, there is no shortage of the activities to do. My top recommendations are the Yacht Day Tour. Visiting stunning islands like Gifton and Orange Islands, snorkel or dive in the crystal clear waters between the coral reefs. Tours range from $11 to $45 depending on the package and the program. The submarine trip takes you 22 meters below the surface, where you can explore the beautiful coral reefs and marine life for around $62. Hurghada Aquarium. To get up close with Red Sea marine life, including fish, sharks, turtles, the aquarium is perfect for families with educational tours for everyone. Entry is $33. The safari trip. For the desert adventurer, try a safari trip, ride quad bike, dune buggies or camels, and visit a Bedouin village. Prices range from $11 to $30. I will include links to book all these tours in the description. Feel free to check them out if you are interested. Here is a 5-day itinerary to help you make the most out of your trip. Day 1, arrive, check in and take a stroll along the tourist walk at night. Day 2, spend the day on a yacht day trip and return to your hotel in the late afternoon. Day 3, spend the afternoon at Hurghada Grand Aquarium. Day 4, take a submarine tour in the early morning. Day 5, go to a desert safari in the early morning, but I don't recommend it in summers because weather gets quite hot. And finish your day shopping along Sheraton Street. And a bonus activity, have a dinner at Starfish Restaurant for some authentic Egyptian seafood dishes. And that's it. Hurghada is a city that has it all: relaxation, adventure and culture. If you want more travel tips, exciting destinations and unforgettable experiences, be sure to subscribe and hit the like button if you like the video. Thanks for watching, safe travels, and see you in the next adventure. Peace.